Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top five. Top five. Number 2, in my opinion, pen. Don't leave home without a pen and some paper. Okay? Real simple. Easy money. Today we have the Wuben Gecko E61. So this will be my first multi-function pen, I guess. So this is technically a multi-tool and a pen. So it's got a pen. Look at that. Dropping stuff, not go edit nothing out. It's got a pen, a light, stylus, all that. All in one. So there's your stylus. Flip it. Somehow. There's your pen. Okay. Flip it back because I like the stylus. And then there's your pocket clip. And here's your light. Maybe. I got it on the police flashers. Let's turn some of this light out. Turn the spotlight off. See if we can get a better view. So there's your police flashers. Oh yeah, way better. Low, medium, high. Low, medium, high on your white. Double click, Policius. Police flashers. All on the same pen. Okay, so there's all your functions for the Wuben Gecko E6 or 61. Sorry, Wuben Gecko E61. Don't know what the 61's about. But yeah, and the light can come out. Maybe. Not with gloves. And then you can put the light in whatever position that you need it. Oh, and it's magnetic. Okay. And it's magnetic. So it's got that 90 or 180 degree bend. You can put the light wherever you need to. It's got a couple detents on it. Okay, I've wasted enough of your time. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave this conversation right here. I think this is a top 5 item. Don't leave home without it. I think it's number 2. Where do you think it ranks? Okay, we'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, please comment below. If you would like to follow, you know what to do. If you would like to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC, over and out.